get ready. 900 horsepower. If we press this 4, oh my lord. I'm sorry. Sorry, that guy was smiling. 300 kilometers an hour. What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max, and today we've got something very special for you guys. It is this Mercedes AMG GLE 63S Coupe with sort of an Arctic camo with very bright fluorescent yellow accents, and it has 900 horsepower. Yes, it does. This is actually the car of a viewer of ours. His name is Andre, and well, he just sent us a message saying, you know, I have this insane car, would you like to drive it and make a couple of videos with it? Well, of course we would like to. We were actually very happy to get this message from Andre, because this is one insane car. Of course, it's insane to look at. I mean, it just looks really cool. It also has this rear spoiler. Of course, that insane wrap. It actually has a Capristo exhaust, valve control exhaust, which is insanely loud. It has 22-inch AMG wheels. It is a beast, this car. We'll take a look if we can find it. We can. Under the bonnet, there is the 5.5 liter V8 bi-turbo by AMG, stock 585 horsepower and 760 newton meters, but that's not enough. So 900 horsepower and 1150 newton meters this thing produces, which is insane. And if you can read this, I don't know, you certainly can now. GAD motors. Every time we see this under the bonnet of a car, we know that it's going to be insane. It's actually just the air intake by GAD motors that has been changed. It has TTE 900 turbos, which are very special. They have done something really special with the turbos. Every cylinder bank has 4 cylinders, obviously, and of those 4, only 3 are hooked up to the turbo. So you have 2 cylinders, one on each side, which are sort of naturally aspirated, which helps with the initial go. So when you start driving from a standstill, it is much more smooth and it really improves drivability. What else? Intercooler, downpipe, and that Capristo exhaust, as I said. So let's go in. And while we're here, I just want to talk a bit about our new watch. It's called the Pilota, and well, it's limited to 50 pieces. We have sort of taken inspiration from 1960s and 70s racing. Very nice perforated leather strap, and it actually runs like an automatic stopwatch does, or sort of like an old school stopwatch, with logo engraved on the clasp as well, and blue logo as well as a blue stopwatch hand. So if you're interested, go take a look at ignitioncollection.com. And without further ado, let's start it up. So this is actually with the valves closed. Sort of sounds like an AMG. But then, if we press this 4, oh my lord! Jesus, it is so loud. All right, well, I just want to show you how usable this car still is. So we're going to start with the valves closed. I'm just going to drive it for a little bit with the valves closed, don't worry. Just to give you a sense of how insane this exhaust is and why Andre has chosen for this setup. Okay, so we're in comfort mode, valves closed. just driving around, picking up the kids from school, getting to work, driving to the family, stuff like that. I mean, this is really quiet and really comfortable. But unfortunately, we've got a tunnel here, so I really can't drive it any longer with the valves closed, because that would just be cruel to you guys. Sport Plus, valves open. Alrighty, get ready. Oh no no no! This is so loud. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, at least that guy was smiling. I think most people in a 10-mile radius really hate us. But my god, is this fun. This thing is so loud. Oh no no, oh my god. Sorry. Oh, that Capristo exhaust is insane. It just sounds so angry. It sounds really beast-like. And when you switch to mode 1, so this is actually the automatic mode. If you drive it, if you drive it regularly, it quiets down. But then when you give it a bit too much throttle, the beast awakens, and you're sort of startled by the amount of noise coming from those exhausts. Oh, damn it. So why does this thing sound so insane? Well, of course it's that exhaust, but it's also the fact that it's been pushed so hard to 900 horsepower. It has GAD motors, intercoolers, and a carbon air intake, and it also has forged connecting rods. Oh, you don't even have to open the windows to hear that. That is insane. But that is how they got to that 900 horsepower, and that is before GAD motors even went to town on the engine. So, you know, normally we drive 5.8 liter V8s by GAD motors, but this is just the stock 5.5 liters. And they actually did rebuild this engine the way it was, but it's not their engine design, but they did offer their expertise to rebuild this engine to make it run as well as it does. Because I'm always surprised by how well these insane engines run and how drivable it still is. Alright, Autobahn. Stock GLE 63S does 4.2 seconds to 100 and has a limited top speed of 250 kilometers an hour. And the owner, Andre, actually said that it kind of struggled to get to that 250 kilometers an hour when it was stock. So that was one of the reasons why he upgraded it. And well, the result of that is that this thing is insanely quick. And the sound, oh my lord, it adds to the sensation of speed. Thank you very much, Mr. Truck Driver, for sort of creating a little gap for us, I guess. There we go. Oh. This thing is so mental. We've got a little bit of space here, so let's see what we can do with this. Past 250. I mean, that's no problem for this car. This is ridiculous. This has to be one of the most ridiculous cars we have ever driven. I love it. I absolutely adore this car. It is just so insane. It is so mental that I just love the fact that someone decided to do this to their GLE. I mean, big thumbs up to Andre for providing us with his car and, you know, giving us the trust to let us drive it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You can subscribe by clicking the big button right here. You can also check out this POV review of a GAD Motors G63 with 1000 horsepower. You can also check out this playlist of POV reviews. Make sure to follow us on social media and we'll see you at the next one. Bye guys.